It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 14th of February. A cool, soaking rain likely around here tonight. Maybe some strong storms near the Gulf Coast. Let's take a look. Fairly impressive storm system lifting out of Texas. Very dynamic. That produced some tornado damage around Houston earlier this morning. And that will bring rain to Alabama tonight. This afternoon, temperatures are mostly in the 60s, Birmingham at 65. Many spots were below freezing early this morning. But the air is very dry. Check out these dew points. Dew points as low as 19 at Fort Payne. So we'll have to see these dew points rising a good bit for some thunder tonight. More than likely, any thunder will be across the southern half of the state. Around the nation, colder behind our storm system. In fact, snow is falling in parts of Oklahoma today, where just a few days ago they saw highs in the 90s. There's the watch warning map around the nation. Things are still snowy in the northeast and around the Great Lakes. This tornado watch is expiring. This is for parts of southwest Louisiana and eastern Texas. That expired at 3. And we'll see if new watches will be issued farther to the east later tonight. If they are needed, more than likely they will be pretty close to the Gulf Coast. In fact, this is the new convective outlook for today and tonight. And the SPC guys kind of taken out that marginal risk for central Alabama. Now we've got the standard risk for the Gulf Coast, basically Mobile and Baldwin counties, over to Fort Walton Beach and Pensacola. A marginal risk up to about US 84. For the northern two-thirds of the state, just rain tonight. And then tomorrow, a marginal risk for the southeastern tip of the state. This is valid after 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. And the rain for the next 7 days, rain amounts about 1 inch for the state. This is valid through Tuesday evening of next week. Here are the numbers coming off the RPM. And this is suggesting rain amounts tonight will be in the 1/2 to 1 inch range for most locations. Let's kind of go through the timing. This is the HER model. This is tonight at 8 o'clock, rain moving into West Alabama. 11 o'clock tonight, showers progressing eastward. This is suggesting at that point the most widespread rain could be a bit north of here, but by 2 a.m., just a soaking rain. Maybe some elevated thunder, but again, no severe weather for the northern half of the state. And by 4 a.m., this event is winding down. The rain should be ending pretty early in the morning. In terms of severe weather and strong storms, this is the instability valid at 2 a.m., and you can see there is some instability as far north as Tuscaloosa and Clanton and Montgomery. But the better capes are over southwest Alabama, and the STP, the significant tornado parameter, higher values again over southwest Alabama, counties like Clark, Monroe, Conecuh, Escambia, Baldwin, and Mobile. So the tornado threat overnight should be confined to far south Alabama. And then the sky will likely clear during the day. This is tomorrow. At noon, back in the upper levels at 500 millibars, troughing over the east, the system lifting out. So rain ending very early in the day. And I do think the sky begins to clear tomorrow afternoon. And a cool day, the high in the low and mid-50s. Thursday, we start the day around the freezing mark with low 30s. The high Thursday should be in the upper 50s with a sunny sky. Friday, again, we start the day in the 30s. The high Friday back in the 60s. And Saturday as the weekend begins, a little upper trough coming in from the west. That's going to bring clouds and the chance of rain showers. It doesn't rain all day. The rain probably not that heavy, but some rain, a very distinct possibility at times. High Saturday should be in the low 60s. And then for Sunday, dry and very mild. The high should be around 70. The sky partly to mostly sunny, a really nice day. And Monday, same thing, sunny with low 70s likely. We note the system off to the west. This is Tuesday of next week. Deep upper low showing up on the lower Texas coast, and we'll see what happens with that down at the surface on Tuesday. Again, this is the 21st. Rain is west of the state. If this is right, we're dry and mild. And the following day, the GFS just doesn't know what to do with it. It's got a surface low way down in the Gulf. I wouldn't be shocked if we wound up having some rain by Wednesday of next week, and this is Wednesday the 22nd. This is the end of the forecast period, Friday the 24th, troughing north of the state. Pretty good snowstorm, if this verifies, for parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan. Maybe some showers down into extreme north Alabama, but it looks like the bulk of this thing will stay north of us. And the numbers. We cool down tomorrow with a high of 52. We go below freezing Thursday morning, but after that, temperatures looking relatively mild for the rest of February. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on television, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.